Turning the corner to cooler weather. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, but to do that, we need to bridge it with still another day of heat and severe weather as we go later into the day. Let's take a look at our heat advisory, which is in effect for Cumberland as well as Cape May counties. But regardless, even though this is in effect through 7 p.m. today, all of our area sees the heat index in triple digits again. And for reference point, it's going to be feeling more like Friday here, if you remember that, across the area. Now let's talk about this heat we had. We had our first 100-degree day at AC Airport in 7 years. Not only that, but Saturday also saw the 6th warmest night all time. Now we'll flip back to Sunday again. We hit 92 degrees by 10 a.m. and I was actually shocked to see this is the first time in recorded history since the 1940s. We were that warm that early, and this is a 7-day heat wave, all part of the streak of longer heat waves here across the area. We have gone from about 4 in 1970 to the average length of 6 in 2017, and that information comes courtesy of Climate Central. Look at our records. We have broken 5 high temperature records when it comes to the heat. First one was a maximum low temperature where we tied it on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday we stayed below record levels, but then we broke records on both ends, both when it comes to the record high temperature and the maximum low temperature on Saturday and Sunday, and we had a pair of 81-degree nights. That is tied for first for the number of consecutive nights at 2. So something we don't see very often here across the area. Dew points still oppressive, especially in Cape May and Cumberland counties. Just sticky to the north of there, but overall, a lot of humidity still in the air. When it comes to the rain tonight, we have a flash flood watch in effect for a wide swath of not only New Jersey, but the country as well. This will be in effect through 8 a.m. on Tuesday for us today, and we have the risk for severe weather too. We're in a level 2 of 5 risk. That means scattered severe storms are possible, not a definite, but possible to see. And we'll show you our radar here. 2 o'clock, all of our showers stay to the west. In fact, it's pretty much sunny out as we go into the early afternoon. Clouds build in late in the day. Storms enter between 5 to 7 p.m. This is just a model representation, so don't take this verbatim. But the story is, as we go through the p.m. rush and into tonight, we are going to see showers and storms, and that continues into the overnight as well. Severe weather ends by 12 a.m., but we still see showers and storms into the overnight hours. In terms of our severe threats, wind damage isolated here, but the main risk I'm more concerned with is the flooded roadways, especially once you get out of the Pine Barrens here in the urbanized area. Now, this is not our rainfall totals. These are precipitable water values, or PWATs. Basically, if you take all the moisture in the column of air, wring it out, measure it up, that's what you get. Anything above 2 is tropical. And what you want to do is double the number for the localized highest amount of rainfall and thunderstorms, given some other conditions which we are meeting. That means 4 to 4.5 inches locally. Most of us are going to be under an inch. But for those of you in Stafford Township, you might remember that quite well because you have seen nearly 10 inches of rain this month from 2 separate thunderstorm events. For today, temperatures in the mid-90s on the mainland, upper 80s at the shore, hot and humid and hazy everywhere. Triple H for us. Even though it is cooler than yesterday, that does not mean much here. Looking at our water temperatures, we range from, well, almost like bath water in Delaware Bay, 83, but cool over in Atlantic City with all the upwelling we have seen over the past couple of days. Burn time in 20 minutes, but overall, a good day to be out on the sand. For tonight, temperatures about 10 degrees above average, feeling more like New Orleans than New Jersey. Again, those severe weather threats end by midnight, but we still see showers and storms afterwards. And as we go into Tuesday, much different day in terms of the temperatures, but we're still going to be sticky, and we do have these pockets of heavy rain into the morning, ending midday. Then for the afternoon, feeling a little bit more like September here in the area. We'll have the full 7-day forecast as well as more on the heat and the thunderstorms coming up. And meanwhile, for the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media or our website, thepressofac.com/weather.